Hello, my name is Yasmeen Martinez, and I will be showing you guys my presentation of my philosophy of success. The quote that I chose is never give up even if the roads get tough. Always push forward, always try your best, and always be optimistic. My definition of success is it means that you are able to say you have achieved your life goals and are financially stable with your chosen career. So to me, it means that I will graduate with my BA, my bachelor's degree, and I know in the future I'll be able to say that I am financially stable and I am satisfied with the career that I have. My struggles and solutions. The struggles that I have chosen, the solutions that I have chosen are that I struggle with procrastination. That has something I've always struggled since I was in high school, and it's something that I have always been trying to fix in the long run. I'm kind of getting better at it, but I know I could do a lot better. I am transferring this semester, so I should be once I start once I go to Cal State LA, I know that I will be on top of it. I'll be more organized, and I'll be able to manage my time more wisely, so it can be less stressful for me. I also struggle with being hard on myself. I know that sometimes I beat myself up about not being able to be the best that I can be, and I know that in the long run, I learned that whatever I go through is something that's going to help me in the future. And I know that every choice that I make is something that's going to benefit my future. I also struggle with staying on task. I always zone out or think about other stuff when it comes to testing or doing assignments. But I know if I look at the positive side of learning, I'll be able to appreciate it more. I know I have, like, if I think about it, I'm just like, you know what, this is for my future, and it's knowledge that I could hold on forever and just be more grateful when it comes to learning. The assessments that I have chosen are the study skills left brain. I learned that I use my left brain more, which means that I respond better to verbal instructions and I am able to control my feelings. So I know I was able to control my feelings because there's times where I do beat myself up, but I always think of the positive side. I always think, you know what, it's for my future. If I can't, sometimes I beat myself up and I'm just like, you know what, just think positive. I know it's better for me in the long run, and I know it benefits me. My MBTI, I also did my MBTI assessment, and I got ESFJ, which is extroversion, sensing, feeling, and judging, which means that I'm an extrovert. I like to be outside. I like to be around people. I like to be social. And my strengths are that I am punctual and loyal, and my weaknesses are that I seek validation. I am suited for a career in education. I'm always punctual. If you need me there at a certain time at my job, I'm always there on time. I'm a loyal person, and I'm proud of myself that I am loyal. I've always been loyal. And my weakness is that I do seek validation, but it's something that I'm working on. And I'm suitable for a career in education, but I am majoring in business, and hopefully I'm able to work around that. I also did the 12-item grit scale, and I scored a 4.1, which means I'm mostly gritty. I learned that I'm able to problem solve even through the toughest problems. I always try and be optimistic with problem solving. I try and just, think outside of the box, and always look at the positive side of problems. So my motivation is my family. There was a point in time where I was in a really dark place, and my family pushed me through, especially my mom. She pushed me through, and she showed me that if I try my hardest, I know I will one day be able to graduate school. There was a time where I didn't want to do anything, and she was just there pushing me through, and she was like, you could do it. And I was that's something that made me value my family. My fiance always motivates me to become a better version of myself. He also helped me try go back to school and put me first, and always encouraged me to finish school. And here I am, graduating Compton College, transferring to Cal State LA. And my little sister also motivates me because she's currently going to high school. She gets good grades, and I always try and tell her, this is for your future. Always do it for yourself. Don't do it for nobody else. And, I guess I have been a good big sister because she's been getting good grades, and she wants to be a dermatologist one day. And it's something that just motivates me to show her that I can do it. So this is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed my presentation, and something I do want to say is always be optimistic. Your meaning of success could be another meaning to somebody else, and just keep pushing forward and believe in yourself that your dreams may come true.